At St. Michael's Winery, we really try to offer a diverse amount of wines so that essentially nobody leaves unhappy, and they can capture this sort of whole experience of coming to this wonderful, people think it's an island because you do go over a bridge, but it's actually a peninsula in the middle of the Chesapeake Bay. So you're surrounded by the Chesapeake Bay, and it's very peaceful and quiet. It's a wonderful place to visit. You know, if you've walked in the door already, you've said you like wine, so that's a great experience. We've already got a customer that's happy, and we're happy to have them there, and they're happy to be there. Come wandering around, and it's almost like, you know, the money is absolutely irrelevant. They're just here socializing and having a great time. So 15 years ago, my wife and I had a young son, 8 months old or so, and at that point in time, we were both very much on the rat race in DC. I had the joy of being laid off from a position and been staying home with Dad for a little while. And at that point, it became the umbilical cord to the DC area became detached, and we were able to look around for a place to live and fell in love with St. Michael's. What's not to love? At that point in my life, I'd been a long time wine consumer, and when you move to a small town like this, if you want a job, you essentially have to make one. And in this case, I've made one for myself and now 15 other people. And the beautiful thing about wine is you can continue as a lifelong learner. So you just continue to learn and continue to experiment, and it's really been a lot of fun and really eye-opening. And every harvest, every year, something different happens. So, Mark Eamon here at St. Michael's Winery. I hope you can join us here or enjoy our wine anywhere you are in the world. Cheers.